When working in Pages, you've got three ways you can add text. The first one is like any word processing document, you can simply type out the text you want there. That's the most simple way. You can also add, if you click on the addition button up here, the add sign, you'll notice this add sign from other apps as well. It's the same in Keynote, it's the same in Numbers. And you go to shapes, so the circle and the square here. It's a little bit of a weird place this, but in the basics category, you click on text. So you scroll all along to basics and then click on text. And there you go, you can see I've got another way to add text there. You just double tap on it and then you can type what you want. You can see now if I move this around, because this is a text box, it's easier to move around than just typing the text out normally. I'll put it over there as well. So you've got a text box and you've got the normal way of typing. Now, if you click on the addition button again, the add button again, you can click any other shape. So let's go with, if I scroll along the top here, you can see all of these different themes for the shapes. Let's click on education and let's select a book. Now, once you've got this shape in there, it also works as a text box. So you double tap the shape and you can type in a word there. So there's three different ways of adding text there. You've got normal typing as you would on a Word document, for example. You've got a text box, which is just the text itself, and you can also add in shapes, which function as text box also. Editing type text is relatively simple. So you select the word that you want to edit. I just extend that. And you click on the Format button, which is the paintbrush here. The Format button is consistent across most Apple apps. So you click on that and you've got all of these options. Usual options that you're used to seeing, like underlining, making it bold, choosing the font type if you want to change that, and making it central. You've got this alignment there, or turning it into bullet points. When working with text box or shapes, you've got more options. So if I select the text box here and go back to the Format button in the top right, the paintbrush, you can see that I've got the same text options as we saw previously, but I also have style and arrangement. So when I click on style, you have some pre-formatted options here. You can add borders, play around with those styles there. You can turn on shadow if you wish and select from those options, and you can turn on reflection as well and play around with the bar there. You can also choose how transparent you would like to make it, which can be useful if you've got multiple items on a page. On that note, when you're arranging objects, you've got the move front to back, which again can be useful, flip vertically and horizontally, and your text wrap, which you'll be used to seeing if you use Microsoft Word.